Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
Happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before you get this video started, well, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got that what? That
Weekly
weekly
heat.
heat, baby.
Yes,
That
sir.
weekly.
Weekly heat.
So these are the shoes that are coming out from 30 July through 6 July. Go and start us off, my brother.
So on July the 6th, we do have an Air Jordan 1 first in flight. This is a women's pair of shoes. And it's also for those babies, the preschools and the toddlers. Price point for those for women's is 180, preschool is 85, and infant and toddlers, aka babies, $70. It's paying homage to the Wright brothers. These brothers here, they were the first to complete an airplane flight in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, and it's paying homage to the state of North Carolina with those university blue colorway, that midnight navy, and then that cell formula. What I really like about this shoe is what they did with the ankle collar with that university gold. This shoe really stands out to me because those at Jordan Brand really put some thought behind adding blue laces to their shoe. Jordan Brand, you guys just put thought behind how you can change a shoe by just changing the laces in that shoe. Normally they would put a white lace, right? But they went ahead and went with that North Carolina color with the laces, and I'm really loving that. And I'm also a one fan. I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. But what about you, my brother?
So we'll be dropping these. Unfortunately, that blue is a little off for me. This shoe does remind me of the 2019 Obsidian University Blue. It's kind of like the reverse colors where you see that blue, light blue around the toe box. The Obsidians were dark blue, and where you see that dark blue on the heel, that was the UNC blue. So they just basically reversed the color, and then it went with the University Gold on the Wings logo. I'm not mad at these, but again, I am dropping these. These are already performing on the retail. So if you want these, they should be easy copy. You sneakerheads. So let us know down in the comments. Are you rocking these or dropping these? So
Yes,
moving on
sir.
to the next shoe, we have a collaboration. This is a Paris edition shoe. This will be called the Opium Paris collaboration. This is a Jordan Airship. Does come at a price point of $150. Predominantly shoe does take this colorway from the Charlotte Hornets. It does feature predominantly a white shoe. It does have a black swoosh on the side. Wrapped around the toe box, we do see that black wrapped around the toe box. On the collar, we do see that Charlotte Hornet purple, makes the shoe pop. Around the back, we do see Nike Air in that Charlotte colorway. Nothing really special about this shoe to me stands out. I don't really rock the airships, and I have seen cleaner colorways. I guess if you're a Charlotte Hornet fan, you should be rocking these. But as for me, I'm dropping these. How about you, my brother?
Hey, I'm on the same page with you, my brother. I'm not really a fan of the airship collab and Jordan Brand. I don't understand what point are you guys making by dropping these. But like you said, my brother, if you are a Charlotte Hornets fan, hey, I can see you copping these, but for me, I'll be dropping them as well, my brother. I'll be dropping them as well. Hey, drop us a comment
Yes.
down below if you rocking those or dropping those. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.